Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Barbie fried Cornish hen.
Wow.
Barbie fried Cornish hen.
Rewind, because they never hear, you know. Say it again, First Lady.
I said it twice already. Chat too much. So, because what do you think when I said it the second time? I rewind it. So, I have carrot rice. Okay?
Wow.
All right, guys, this is carrot rice. If you've never had this before, you need to check out our video. We showed you guys how to make the Barbie fried Cornish hen and also the carrot rice. And we also have some green beans here and we have some plantains. You know, we love the plantains.
True.
I want to show you guys my outfit of the day, okay? Check it out.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know y'all love First Lady outfit of the day, because I do.
You know what this means when I have the fork and hour in my hand.
Shit.
What does that mean?
You're hungry and ready to eat.
You're hungry.
I should have spoon. Me should I get some?
Yes. Oh.
But everything good.
All right.
All right.
Put it in.
The taste
Oh,
test.
it's soft.
You taste that first?
I don't know why, but it's so green and vibrant. All right. Now I'm gonna taste my carrot fried rice. Look at the color on that. Look at the color. I don't know if you can see it.
Okay. Put it up there, girl. Put it up
Look
there.
at the color. You see it? Wow.
And it's, I don't, listen, before I even taste it, I already know it's nice, soft, buttery, flaky,
Honey, that is
everything
so
in one.
good. Now listen.
Stop. They don't believe us. Stop, please. Okay, here we go. Y'all don't believe us. Here you go. You try and tell us. Okay, take. All right, there we go. All right. Now, firstly, go ahead. Because.
Honey.
That shit is. Oh, sorry.
Honey.
Oh my God.
This reminds me of seasoned rice, innit?
Just like the seasoned rice.
Seasoned rice.
Don't even say that. That's the next rice you can make too.
This is okay. Listen.
That's awesome.
We didn't even get to the chicken.
Chill now. Then you know we got the little sauce on the side. You know we gotta keep it saucy. You know what?
I gotta get some more rice. One more time.
No, get some more rice again because listen. That joint. Oh my God. Just a little bit, please. I just want a little bit. Mercy, don't get mad if I just put a little bit, please.
No.
I just need a little bit.
We love sauce.
Just a little bit.
But
listen.
Honey, guys, family, the
think
rice
I
is so good. I promise you, you can eat it by itself.
By itself, you think I joked him?
You don't need nothing else, but the Barbie fried make it better. Oh my gosh, I need.
Oh my God. You know what? Fix my mouth good. I'm gonna come back. Enjoy that one, yeah.
I don't know what to say.
You know why?
Oh my gosh.
We gotta enjoy this one, family. And First Lady, because this is the last day of the marathon. We gave y'all 4 dishes of Cornish hen. And this was the finale. You know what I'm saying?
You know, I'm waiting before I try this.
What? Don't try that one. Come on.
Guys.
Try what you want to try.
We gotta do a thumbnail, honey.
Oh, you want to tell me that one?
Pick up the chicken or something. I don't know how you want to do it. Okay.
Yo.
Guys, we always forget.
Yo, we love the thumbnail. Let me know the thumbnail. Them bad, man. Yeah, man. Yo,
Okay.
go ahead. Go ahead, please.
Okay.
Tell me. That's the skin. Hey, listen. Wait.
Good. That is so good. I have
Let's
to
eat a little
whisper.
bit first. Yeah. Let's eat a little bit first.
Okay.
Let's eat a little bit first before we start. We'll just taste it for real and see. So we're not exaggerating, you know?
I don't care what they say. I'm tired. Everything is so good.
This rice is delicious. They're gonna love this rice. You think the rice and peas was wicked?
It's so simple.
1, 2, 3. That's how simple it is.
Oh my. Look, I'm barely pulling the chicken. Look at that. And it's just coming right apart.
Question, First Lady.
I mean, hold on.
Is it still crispy to you?
It's delicious.
God, that's how it's supposed to be.
I'm gonna take off this piece right here. No, I have to show. I have to show it to them. Look at that.
Barbie fry.
Woo.
Wow.
Make sure.
Yeah, follow that recipe.
I'm gonna link it somewhere up here or in the description. But make sure you watch it. This video first, enjoying it, and then go watch how to make it.
Yes.
Listen, and they can make it on Saturday.
Yeah.
Saturday meal.
Yeah. Saturday meal, Sunday, any day you want it.
Honey, I don't have much to say because.
Wow.
You guys don't know how hungry we was today.
It's on deck. First Lady, just eat some, because I know we want to enjoy it. Wow. First Lady, I don't think I could make big chicken again, you know? Cornish hen took over right now. What do you think?
I agree.
Family, no more big chicken. Straight Cornish hen.
I don't know what to say.
I don't know how I do this.
You impressed with yourself? Me too.
And it's cooked
It's that good.
It's cooked to perfection. Wow. We amaze ourselves sometimes.
All the time. All the time. Now, this is a kind of chicken, like fried chicken, where you want to eat the skin.
Yeah.
Okay? All right. You heard what I said though, right? You want to eat the
You
skin.
have to eat the skin.
Meh.
That's why it's called Barbie fry. I'm not going to tell you again, family. You have to eat the skin. The skin is crunchy. Wow.
This is like when you made the Barbie fry fish.
Remember that one, yeah? Oh,
If you guys are not checking out those videos and watching them, I don't know what you're doing. Ooh.
Look at the chicken bone. No kind of blood.
The something juicy, man.
Come on, juicy man. Eat the green. We be going down sometimes. I use it all the time.
Guys, I'm gonna have to make some red pasta probably next week sometime. Maybe this week. Sometime this week I'm gonna make some red pasta because my son, he's not having it. He's like, okay, I see you making all this food for your subscribers. What about me?
Tell him what he said. When he said you're gonna cook it in front of them, and what he said.
He said, wait a minute, you gonna give them the recipe? I was like, yeah. He was like, wow. Almost like, you must really like your subscribers because I don't give no one that recipe.
Nobody. First Lady, you can see it? Because I can see it. Look at it one more time. Get down there. Wow. Damn it. So how y'all doing?
Oh, you guys are still there?
You forgot for real though? Wow. We sorry. We are so sorry. Yes, you, the one that's sitting right there, the one that's sitting right there, the one that's sitting, and the one that's like this. Give me some. We're sorry. But family, this is...
Let me get my napkin because I'm gonna have bones.
Oh my goodness.
Honey,
damn it.
why you so mad? What you so? You gonna hurt the people in them ears? What you so mad about?
Make you want to slap the man that made it, or the woman.
You love slap people?
No, slap you know.
First you slap the first you want to slap the man on the block.
I was slapping me. You don't come on the block no more.
I didn't see you. Oh my.
No more big chicken to a thing, man.
You have to lick your fingers when you eat
Have
this.
to.
My bone?
They were still waiting for us while we eating. That's some real subscribers right there. I like them. But now we are back. Snap back, first lady. Snap back. Shake it off now. Snap back. Oh.
It's really good.
Oh my goodness.
I hope you guys had a great day.
Yeah. Serious, no, for real now.
And if you didn't, it's okay. Tomorrow's gonna be an even better day.
Better day. Better day.
Speak it into existence.
Better. Yep. Better. It's always a great day. Because you know what? You woke up.
So true.
You woke up. So, that right there is the best thing ever. Right?
Yes, I agree.
Best thing ever. You got life. You know what I'm saying? But,
Oh,
we got to, we have a story?
I'm just gonna say that.
I know. I read your mind.
I'm just gonna
We
say
always
that.
got a story for y'all. But this time, we're gonna eat, tell the story, and eat. You're not gonna trick us today because I know you like them story time. Whenever you're ready, first lady, it's your show.
Right, so good, Mike, in my shirt.
In your bosoms.
My bosom. I'm gonna start the story off, and then Richie's gonna finish it. What are you pointing the chicken for?
Just venting. All right, first lady, do your thing.
So I'm gonna start off the story. And then Richie's gonna finish it.
Yes. Just take your time, eat your food up.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my time.
You want a gravy and anything? Or are you good?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Sorry for the scraping noise. But you gotta scrape. Oh, yeah,
Mike,
right.
call me. I can't go.
What did you say?
Mike calling me.
Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. I know I keep on saying okay. I just want to get more bites. All right. When my daughter was little, our daughter, but we say my, he, whatever.
Yeah.
She loves water. She loves water.
Loves.
Okay? Loves water. Beach, pool, sprinkler hose, bathtub, anything that's water, she loves it. Okay. And even when she was in my belly, because I swear she was swimming in there, because she was always hitting me in my chest. She's crazy. Okay. When she was about maybe 4 months old, this house that we lived at in Fort Lauderdale, the complex had a pool. So I would walk down there, you know, go for a walk with Tamia in the stroller, and just sit by the pool. So she'll be in her stroller.
Yeah.
Mind you, she's like 4 months.
4 months old, family.
5 months.
4.
And I will put her to sit up in the stroller so she can see what's going on. And I'm sitting on a bench next to her while she's in the stroller, and we're looking at the pool, just enjoying the breeze, right?
Yeah.
And Tamia will literally do this in the stroller.
Ready to jump off. Yeah.
And then she would just stare at the water like, oh my gosh, I wish I can get into that water. So I mentioned it to Richie, and he was like, well, why don't you just let her go in the pool? And I was like, you think so? She's kind of young. But then I was like, kids who are 4, 6 months old are taking swimming lessons.
Swimming lessons, yeah.
And it's good for her to get in the water because we live in Florida.
Yeah.
So I got her floaty that has an umbrella to cover her from the sun, and I put her into the pool. Now this is a child that even when you're giving her a bath and you're taking her out, she's crying bloody murder.
True.
Pissed off. What are you taking me out the tub for? Even when she's a baby.
Don't take her out of the tub. She said, well, she feeling some type of way.
So I put her in the pool, and she's in there all day. All day. If you let her. And when it's time to take her out, she cries. For, like, man.
Cries. She don't want to come out.
She don't want to come out. So now we're going to fast forward now to when she's about, what, 4 years old?
Yeah.
And we decided to take the kids them. My sister and her family and me and my family decided to take the kids them to Nickelodeon Studio in Orlando.
If you've never been there and you got young kids, take your kids there.
It's nice.
Yes.
I do like it. But you just have to plan it out right. Especially if you have kids.
Yes.
So we plan the trip now, and we get to Nickelodeon Studio. Of course, there's a pool there.
Yes. Oh God, that's all she wanted to see.
That's all Tamia needs is a pool. So we're downstairs, all of us, and we're by the pool, and Tamia's in the pool, and she has a life jacket on. So because Tamia has a life jacket, she feels like, okay, I can just jump in the pool. I can jump in the deep end, which that's what she usually does, because she has a life jacket.
Yes.
So she jumped in the deep end, the shallow end, and it doesn't matter. Tamia's just jumping in the water all the time. So at this point, my sister and I said, okay, we're gonna go upstairs to the room, because it had a room where you can cook and stuff, and we're gonna start cooking. So by the time that everybody gets hungry, we can eat.
Yes.
Okay. While I was upstairs, something happened where the pool had to get cleaned or something. I don't know what happened. And that's when my husband comes in because I wasn't there.
Thank you, First Lady. Well explained. So my time now. So, as First Lady said, she was upstairs. So it was my turn and whatnot, because she went upstairs to cook. You know how it is already, you know? We get hungry, we got pool. So they paused the pool for a minute. I guess something happened. You know how they give you a pool break and I don't know if they clean it or whatever, but everybody got to get out. So everybody get out now. So my daughter came over to me, but she already took off the floaties and stuff, right, family? She took off the floaties, right? So we there sitting down, chilling, waiting till the lifeguard or whoever give us back permission to go in the pool. I had on all my clothes, sneakers, socks,
His
hat,
phone at the waist,
my phone, everything on. Remember, because I wasn't going in the water. I was just watching her. You know what I'm saying? So I had everything on, watching, and just sitting there.
Don't forget though.
Yeah.
I mean to cut you.
Yeah.
Don't forget. After she sat next to you for a few minutes, she went to the section that had the sprinklers.
Oh yeah. Yeah. She went over to the section that had the sprinklers.
Without her vest.
Without her vest. Thank you. That's how much she loves water. So she came back over now, and all I heard was the lifeguard blow the whistle. So everybody start jumping back in the pool. Family, You see, when I turned around, it's my daughter. Remember, she took off the floaties. It's my daughter jumped off in the deep end. My God, I got good, quick reflex.
Very quick.
Quick.
So basically, when she jumped, like she ran.
Realized, yeah, she didn't have the
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh yeah. When she jumped and she didn't realize she didn't have the thing on, the floaty, it was too late. The lifeguard or nobody didn't see that. It was me. So I ran, boom, jumped off in the water, clothes on, everything, phone, everything on. Jumped off, grabbed her. When I grabbed her, pull her out, she's like, oh my gosh, Daddy, I'm sorry. Right? I didn't know, and I didn't know. Go ahead.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna put it into I'm gonna explain it to you.
Explain it,
okay?
yeah.
So you can really understand.
Yeah.
When the lifeguard blew the whistle and said everybody can go back into the pool, Tamia forgot that she didn't have her life vest on. Okay? So what Tamia did was she ran, like Richie said, to the deep end. But picture this. When she ran to the deep end and she jumped and she's about to go into the water, it's almost like her eyes and Richie's eyes locked. And she realized, oh snap, I don't have my life jacket on. So you ever see that cartoon where he's running and he runs off the cliff and he's hanging in the air and he's like, oh snap, I'm gonna fall? That's how Tamia was. You understand? She was like, she didn't freeze in the air, but it was almost like she did because she realized, oh no, I don't have my life jacket on. She got into the water, and when Richie saw that, Richie jumped, grabbed her out of the water, and so much water came out of Tamia's mouth. Soon everything was done, Tamia goes, oh, Daddy, oh, I almost drowned.
You hear that? And you know she go back in the water.
And she went right back in the water. She said,
Yo.
let me go get my vest.
Let me go get my floaties. Up to this day, that little girl still love water. It was a long time ago, you know? Sometime I got old timers, my mind in here. But it was a long time ago.
I remember that story very well. So that's why I had to fill him in because he remembered the story, but I remember the story because, you know, I don't know. It's crazy. That little girl was like, Daddy, I almost drowned. Where's my life vest?
I went right back in it.
I'm back in the water like nothing happened. And meanwhile, Richie is soaked from head to toe. And can you believe it, family? About a good 20 seconds later is when the lifeguard realized what was going on. And 20 seconds is fast. But when a child could have nearly drowned, that's a long time. You know, he was looking at Richie like, and looking at Tamia, like, what's going on? Like, he didn't know what was going on. He didn't know what was going on.
Family, I jump off in the water like Baywatch. You know what Baywatch people are? What was the guy name? What was the guy name for Baywatch? You remember Baywatch? It's a long time series TV show. But I jumped off like the Baywatch guy. But thank God, cause one thing, I pay attention. My eyes don't miss nothing. Right for you?
Oh, sorry.
Are you eating? Okay. But yeah,
It's true.
that was a quick story. But up to this day, we still can't get out of the pool. And she's about to be 14. Yeah.
We can't.
Yeah. But that was that quick story.
But thank God, she knows how to swim now.
You know how to swim, yeah?
What do I do with that?
Yeah. She know how to swim real good. Both of them. Yeah. But wow. That was crazy.
Imagine if, like you, I mean, no, I can't say because when Richie's outside and it comes to water, he's not getting in the water, especially the kids are there. He's not getting in the water. He's like this.
Looking.
Looking.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep. When they go to the beach, pool, I don't get in the water.
And if he does?
Yes, I do. It's just for a little bit.
Oh, I
get in for a little bit to play in there with them, and that's it. But I don't really get into it. I like to see what's going on.
Like him saying nosy.
Noise one. But yeah, my little baby.
we talk about that story so much.
My goodness. Well, thank you for listening to our story. Y'all like the story times, huh? Yeah.
I do.
I know you do. You tell good stories. You tell good stories.
So do you.
Sometimes I might be forgetting. But listen to me. Every time I go into my closet, that was from she was 4. Now she's gonna be 14.
10 years ago.
I still have the pair of sneakers in there like nothing happened. And that was 10 years ago. Still have the pair of sneakers in there when I jumped off in the water. Every time I look at sneakers, I don't even wear the sneakers no more. I put it there and I said, wow, this was the day when I had that. I dove off. Woo! Like Baywatch, son.
Come downstairs. Come downstairs. And I ran downstairs.
Yeah.
And he told me a story. And so it's to me. The girl said, still in the water.
Still in the water, guys. Still in the water. You know what I'm saying?
All she heard was, you guys can get back in the water.
Yep. Thank you for stopping by. Stop looking at me. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.